Sometimes our creativity takes little break, right? No worries. Today I have got 5 game-changing tips that will bring back the excitement and set your creativity free. Hi, my name is Sanya. Welcome to my channel. So let's get started. First up, we have the visual meditation. Take a moment to close your eyes, visualize a calming scene, and let your mind wander. Simple practice can enhance your ability to visualize and imagine. Next on our list is power of music. Turn on your favorite tunes while you work. Music can be a fantastic source of motivation and can elevate your mood, making the creative process more enjoyable and freeing. Step outside and connect with nature. A short walk surrounded by trees, fresh air, and natural beauty can do wonders for your creativity. Nature break walks act as a reset button for your mind and sparkling new ideas. Let's talk about screen time. While technology is great, too much of it can lead to burnout and creative block. Set boundaries, take break from digital screens and allow yourself to disconnect. This simple act can refresh your perspective. Last but not the least, make daily reflection a habit. Take a few minutes each day to jot down what worked well in your artistic journey. Reflecting on your achievements, no matter how small, can boost your confidence and keep the creative juices flowing. Experiment with these suggestions, find out what works best for you. And remember, creativity is a journey, not a destination. Happy creating!